via app, Zoom instructions. These are video conferencing instructions using the VIA app with Zoom. Open up your VIA app on your computer. The room name may auto-populate within the app, but if it doesn't, type it in the search bar on the VIA app with the room name that is located on the screen in the room you are in. Select the room you want to join. It will ask for a room code. This room code will be displayed in the room you are in on the screen. Type the room code into the app and click Join. Click Share when you are ready to share your screen into the room. Open up Zoom on your laptop. Start your Zoom meeting and join computer audio. Check your audio settings. The microphone is on via room device. Make sure the speaker is on via room device. Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2. Yeah.
And the camera on via room device. If the room has 2 cameras, reopen the VIA app and there'll be a camera icon located on the app. You can switch the camera by clicking on the button. To share your screen, you will still need to share it within your meeting. This way, attendees online can see it and the attendees in the room. Stop sharing. When you are complete with your meeting, click Leave Meeting. Open up the VIA app. Click Stop to stop sharing. Make sure you also turn off the video conferencing room. Thank you.